Most people have access to GoHighLevel, but only a few people know how to use the agency dashboard properly. In this video, I will walk you through every section and show you how I use it to close deals and manage everything in one place. So stay tuned for the end of the video to fully understand what is the GoHighLevel agency dashboard and how to use it properly. Alright, let's talk about the buttons and how I can show you how the software works. I think we don't have to get too much into details because there are a lot of videos on YouTube, but I'm going to show you every button that you are going to have a clue where to click, what to change, or what type of things you can change in your agency. Right, let's talk about the prospecting. The agency dashboard, the first one. It is really important because you can see how much revenue your agency has generated last month, and you actually have to integrate Stripe. You don't have this here. I just made like a trial Stripe account, and yeah, you are going to see what's the revenue of your agency last month, but your Stripe account has to be verified, and it's just a basic overview. Let's talk about prospecting. Prospecting is a really great way to see how business is doing. For example, if I want to search up, I live in Hungary actually, so if I search up men's hall barber, this is actually a barber shop close to me, and if I click this and save prospect, if I say save prospect, it is going to generate a marketing report. Why it is good for you? Because you are going to be seen as different than other agencies who just send them cold emails, or you can use it in person, that I have brought a review of your whole business, and you can see what's your SEO, how many reviews have, or how many competitive businesses do you have in the area, and you are going to be seen as different. I think you have 5 prospecting per month, but for $30 you can unlock this feature for unlimited times per month. But I think it is only great when you are actually have clients and don't pay for this feature at first, because in my opinion the first thing first is to get your first 5 to 10 clients, and after you have some income, maybe after that you are going to purchase these features. Alright, as you can see, if I wanted to contact this hairdresser company, they have an overall score of 34%, so I can help them. Their website is actually good. You can see there are some reports. They don't have a chat widget. I can help them with that. They don't have a techno stack analysis. The listings are not really great. Actually, in Hungary we don't use these sites, so it might be better than this report. And as you can see in SEO, it's really bad. For example, I could help this business with reputation management to have a better SEO, because they are more than 10th if somebody searches for barber near me. Alright, next up we have sub accounts. Here, let me make my face a bit smaller. All right. So here you can see the sub accounts. You can switch to them, or you can manage clients. As you can see, for example, if I press manage client, you can have basic details of this. This is the name of the owner. This is the email address, phone number. Actually, this is the usage limit, and here I can limit how many users are allowed in this account, or how many contacts can be uploaded here. This rebuilding stage is really great, because features in HighLevel are costing you money. So for example, if you want to send an SMS from your client's account, it is going to cost you money. Or if you are sending emails or premium triggers, then you can send an invoice to your client at the end of the month, and they are paying for that. And also if AI is doing content for them, or workflow AI, conversation AI, and these are really helpful things, by the way, but you can rebuild them to the clients. And I really like this feature, because you can actually say that instead of $1, it is costing them $2, and the profit margin can be high, and it can be your profit. And for example, on your website, you might say that the website creation for a dental clinic is the same, independent how big they are. They have like 3 employees or 10, but in this case, if they are sending like more SMS, you can get more money for them. So for example, bigger dental clinic going to have more contacts to send SMS to, and you are going to have more money rebilling it to them. There are some reselling applied, and you can resell prospecting, AI employee workflow plan. I actually don't really use this that much. You can resell WhatsApp, even WordPress site. GoHighLevel has a seamless integration with WordPress. This is one of the biggest website creation platform in the world, so it is really great to use WordPress sites, because I can connect someone's site to GoHighLevel and use my software solutions for them, even if they don't create their website in GoHighLevel. They actually can make money on it. So for example, HighLevel price is $10. I can sell it for $15 per month. There are also marketplace apps. These are apps that people have built out for HighLevel, and you can buy these. You can see there are some one-time purchase fees, and there are other plans which are monthly paying basis. I didn't really use these that much, but this can be really great when you are a really advanced high-level agency. You can only see advanced settings. You can have like limits, how many SMS can this client send per month, or have they reached it, and have they exceeded their limit. And these are some more advanced settings, but I think in the beginning you don't really need it. And one last thing I want to talk about is how you can create a sub-account. You can press add sub-account. Then there are some already pre-built snapshots by HighLevel. For example, if you want to use a dentist snapshot, then HighLevel has pre-built workflows, automations, and websites for that sub-account. But I would recommend going with a blank snapshot, because you learn how to create these automations, and also you don't need all of the automations that HighLevel built you. Maybe you leave something on which is not required and some things mess up. So yeah, you can also have this My Snapshots tab. You can create your own, and there are some imported snapshots. As you can see, I have already imported a lot of snapshots, and I'm going to give you like 50 snapshots or more if you use my link to this course. Alright, next up you get account snapshots. At My Snapshots, you can create your own and load your snapshots, and this is a new feature. You can even sell snapshots, but more on that later. There are some imported snapshots that you are going to have with my course, and share snapshots, and also templates with the basic GoHighLevel features that I already mentioned. So yeah, you can press create snapshot, then load to any sub account that you actually want. Also, there is the reselling feature, which is on the agency level, and you can resell these features to your sub accounts, for example WordPress, WhatsApp, or Yext listing. This is really great with home services because you can rank them higher with their SEO. It is absolutely a no-brainer for my offer. My offer starts at £1,500 for UK roofers, and this is included the Yext listing for them. There are some add-ons. This is actually more advanced stuff, so I don't recommend using this at the beginning, and these features are actually great. Later, when your agency is bigger, you can have a white label mobile app where, let's say you have 50 clients, because some people have very big agencies with like 200, 300, even 500 clients, and you can have a mobile app. For example, I only do reputation management for dentist clinics in the whole UK, and they use the same mobile app for my software, for my white label the software. And you can have iOS and Android. It's you can pay for quarterly. You can also have a white label Zapier. If somebody is not familiar with this program, this is actually connecting integrations, for example, a Google Calendar into GoHighLevel or something similar to this, but I don't recommend these features in the beginning. And Eliza Platform Agent is also like an advanced AI assistant for your agency inside GoHighLevel. If you have an affiliate portal, you can actually do the same as me. For example, take a course and have people sign up for that course with your link, and you can share it and you can become an affiliate. I am getting 40% for every people I refer to. This is a great way to have some passive income if you are interested in teaching HighLevel as a software. You also have template library, which is available in the higher plan, in the $500 plan. And let's say I only work with gyms, then if somebody signs up for my software, they are going to have 10 gym website templates that I have built out customly for them. Alright, let's talk about partners. It is more advanced also. This is really expensive, and I don't recommend it in the beginning because these partners help you set up different kind of automations and sites, funnels, integrations, but these are really expensive services. You also have the university tab. Where is GoHighLevel courses? I actually didn't have these when I started out, and these are really great even when you are starting. And I actually completed some of this, and I really recommend you doing it because these 5-day challenges and local hero playbooks have some great valuable content that you can learn from at the beginning, and I recommend learning just, for example, you have 7 days in a week, dedicate 1 day to learn a new feature or client acquisition system in the beginning. All right, let's talk about SaaS education. It is also an education feature by HighLevel, and it is explaining why should you go on the $500 plan, which is the SaaS mode, and it's really great if you have like 10 clients, and after it you can use this. There is also GHL swag. You can buy GoHighLevel hoodies, hats, shirts, bottoms, and there is like an ideas tab, which is I think great. A lot of people says it's really boring because YouTube videos are much more entertaining, but I think if I have a problem, for example, you see that Eliza is like a new feature and I don't know how to use it yet, and there are 20 blog posts on how Eliza works. And for example, automations have 2,600, so it's a really great way to have a problem solved. Specifically, people respond to your question usually. There are also the mobile app, which I have touched on already. The lead connector and the HighLevel is I mean the same mobile app, just with different colors. I don't understand why there are like two types of it. And if you buy the $500 version, you are going to have your customized brand. You can actually see the branding, payment profile, review, approval, and the live story. How is it going in a linear line? There is also app marketplace for your agency. This is really great because it has some free free apps and also paid ones. And this is for your agency, not your sub account, so it helps you run the whole business around